So the last thing I'm going to talk to you about today is begonias. So this is what they look like, the little corms. Similarly to seed potatoes, you want to start these off inside, and what you're doing is chitting them. So what this means is you plant these in a shallow tray of compost, and you keep them inside waiting for them to send out the first little shoots. That's just because they're quite sensitive to frost and cold, so ideally you want to start these off inside. When they start putting out the little shoots, you can plant them into small pots. As soon as the frosts have passed, so about May, you can start putting the pots outside and getting them used to that temperature outside, so hardening them off, and then they should start putting out the new foliage from there, and then you can directly plant them into your border. Or if you're happy to wait, you can buy them now and plant them after the frosts have passed straight into the border, which I'll show you how to do now. So you don't need to plant them as deep as some of the other things, so it's quite shallow really. Again, 2 to 3 times the depth of the corm, and it's quite difficult when you look at them to figure out which way you plant them, but it's effectively, on one side you'll have a load of roots, and on the other side you should have a bit of a hollow section, and the hollow section needs to be facing upwards. So I'm going to plant it this way up in here, and I've got 5 in here. It's the Samba mix, so it's a frilly pastel shade begonia, really nice, great for containers and hanging baskets and front of the border. And I'm just going to plant them along the front here. I'm just going to make a little hole. I'm not going very deep. It's about there. Usually you'd only do this as the frosts have passed, which is usually the end of May. It's quite late. Okay. So that's all the bulb planting for now. So I'm happy with where everything is. All we need to do is water this in, and then you should have a load of bulbs coming up through the summer.